Hi, Gilbert. Ihagis mo na yan. Kaysa ako maghagis sa'yo. Huwag na baka ihagis niyo Durabox. Pwede sa follow back, sure. Mabait naman ako eh. Hagis niya yan, ihagis niya, hahagis mo kayo. Thank you, welcome. Oy! Hi, BTK Nation. Saan ba kayo, saan kayo ang tawag dito? Saan kayo? Thank you, Tetedu. Shall we? Hi, naman. Saan pa kayo kumukuha ng pangalan? Share nyo naman. Hi, Daddy J. Shall we? Saan kayo kumukuha ng pangalan? Pwede bang Time Dragon. Oo nga, baka naman. Baka naman. Sa ay violet yung ilaw ko eh. Hindi siya blue eh. Hi Bam, Shari. Hi Alpha, Shari. Violet yung ilaw ko, hindi blue. Pero may blue naman. Hello, Shai. Gusto mo ba? Ibubugaw kita. Para may pera ako. Kanina, sa kanila. Gusto mo ba? Hi po. Sige mamaya. At kita pag may uwi. Ay,
everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being
parang
negative when
hindi,
you should be
tingin
getting
ko.
after it.
Hello, ganda. Cute lang po ako. Hindi ako maganda. Huwag kayong malito.
I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear
Wait lang,
words
baka
that
may
say
nanonood
back.
na
I
kasama
want
natin.
you to feel free from the chains
Kasama ko
that last.
dito. Mamaya nakakaya na rin ako.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got
Aalis kayong
anyone's
lahat.
help. I had to do it all myself.
Hindi nga, totoo naman. Cute lang naman ako. Look ko.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the
Hindi pa ako tapos mag-tracer. Okay na dito.
I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical.
Anong
Rub
ililibre
it on
mo?
and watch it go. Make yourself
Paranos
unstoppable.
na.
Never irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one
Kung ay
day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I
Baby food.
gotta
Ayoko ng
make
food.
it.
Gusto ko
I'm
ng
saving every day to taste it. I'm
Alipin ako ng
patient, but my
salapi.
mind, it can only take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Walang aakyat dito. Bawal.
Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit.
Ito pala ka. Hindi kaya.
The fakeness.
Kahit piso okay na. Hindi mag-comment ka. Sa baba. Hindi nga kababa. Ibubugaw kita para may pera ako. Hi, Islander. Thank you. Sabi ko kasi mag-ano ako eh. Inaantay niyo ba yung hotline ko? Mag-hotline ako kasi wala ko dito. Joke lang. Walang available dito ah. Walang available dito. Pero pag in-scroll nyo gano'n, meron sa baba. Hindi sa akin. Hindi sa akin. Walang ano dito. Walang available dito. Ano nyo, i-swipe nyo. Meron dyan sa baba ko. Wala dito. Hi, Jay, Shawi. Hi, Parko. Ayoko naman, naiiyak mo.
Muñequita linda, ven pa' acá. Si tú no vienes, yo voy pa' allá. Ella quiere que la casa.
Hi, Boss Primo, Shawi. Ganda ng ano? Ano?
Te cuento que tú me motivas y que al mirarte no puedo tragar saliva. Porque con todo esto más
Mapaparami ka? Bakit? Hi, Evan, Shawi. Gusto mo maparami sa buwan? Makalipad ka na ba ng mataas? Hindi pa. Piso-piso lang guys. Visit ka.